so they're very, very compact. And
Well, they're all different sizes.
No,
Or
we
still-
do a hand towel.
Yeah.
We do a hand towel in it as well. But this is the bath towel, which is that size, and then we do the hand towel, which is there. So you can have hand towels with them or bath towel.
That's okay, yeah. You try a bath towel, yeah?
Yeah, can I have the blue one?
Blue one, yeah.
Yeah.
Don't need to wash it first, because it's not treated. It's not like a cotton towel that's got all sorts
right,
of
yeah.
oils and whatever on it. You just take it out and slightly.
They work, don't they? Yeah. And it's important to be a bit thick when I've got
One of those.
skin in the way of your body. I didn't like it at all. And we were having these at the same time, so I said, let's try them out. And we're back all the time. Like you see all the time now. Everybody shows up.
Is that a thing about having an apple head or whatever? It is. Oh right, she's gorgeous.
Those ones are really key. They work. They are small, like
So that's 25 altogether.
how do you feel?
Nice to meet you.
Hello!
Hello.
Hello! Do we have to get really close to that one?
Yeah.
Oh, look how cute!
That's nice to meet you. It's a little pocket too. Osmo,
Oh, the
DJI.
Osmo one.
Oh, he's looking into a DJ. No, it's not DJI, is it?
No, we're going to get GoPro 10 when it comes out.
Oh, you go, bro. I was thinking about getting a action, DJI action, but
What do you recommend then? 'Cause I think you're
Well,
kerfuffled with
I've been doing loads of research on them, and they
Yeah.
seem to be a bit better than the GoPro.
Really?
Well, I've heard.
Not that you heard.
Apparently the action was, theirs was the best, and then the GoPro 9 came out, and it's supposed to be better, that's right.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
GoPro 10 should
Yeah.
be really good.
Yeah.
So we're getting one of them.
You were this close to buying GoPro 9 last night, and then
Yeah.
you're going to wait, I think, now.
One question, guys.
Yeah.
How do you keep this up? All these films, don't you get so exhausted?
Because if
Yes.
we don't keep it up, we don't eat.
Well, yeah, I could give it
It's
that.
his job.
It is tiring, but we love it. You like yesterday,
Yeah,
we were supposed to be here yesterday, but we had a day off. We've done show after show after show.
Yeah.
The hard work these
Yeah.
shows.
Yeah.
I bet. I see the Roman reference up there
Yeah.
because this is my first vlog.
Really?
Really? And we're on your very first vlog.
You're on the very first
Yeah, we'll have to
vlog
give you-
with my
give a shout out.
first motorhome.
Yeah.
My wife's in the toilet at the moment. She's been looking for you, and she's missing you.
Oh.
But
Let's get you on our vlog.
Well, have you even
I've
got a
even-
YouTube channel yet?
it's just started. Yes, loving the dream,
Oh, that's a nice
Loving,
name.
loving the dream.
with a G on the loving.
Yeah, loving the dream. But you won't be able to find it. I don't think. No one's been on it yet.
Oh, don't be silly. You'll get there.
Right. So the biggest man in the show has come up to us with the smallest camera in the world. You look silly.
Yeah, does it? Oh, it don't.
You look like you're walking around with a little Barbie in your hand. Just starting YouTube. This is his first ever vlog. What is your channel gonna be called?
Loving the dream.
Loving the Dream.
Chris and Claire and Bella the dog.
And Bella,
Oh, she's
The dog.
gorgeous.
check them out. Seems a nice fella. I wouldn't put it on if I thought you were horrible.
Oh, good.
But you need to get rid of Barbie and get a proper man's tag.
It's like in your pocket when you're finished. You
Look at the
see.
channel. That's lovely, isn't it? You'll get there.
We're
Yeah.
getting a diesel heater put in as well,
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the plan.
and that should solve the problem.
Let me know if you find one without a tick. Because all the diesel heaters I've seen on YouTube have got this annoying tick.
Oh, have they?
Aren't they?
Keeps everyone awake. Yeah, tick, 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 tick all the time. It's a pump.
Well, we wouldn't need it on at night, would we? Well, not while we're sleeping.
That'll drive you bonkers, doesn't it?
Wouldn't need it. Anyway, lovely to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you guys too.
We're going to have lunch with the Roman Radford
Yeah, we're having a
soon.
Oh,
double
yeah.
date today.
It's nice to meet you. I'm just gutted. My wife's not here.
Oh.
She must have gone out and walked
Sure,
away.
what's her name again? Sorry.
Claire.
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 So we get
Oh, here
one
she is,
lady
here she is,
on her own.
here she is. She's over there. She's looking the other way now. She's saying that she's coming here. Coming here. She's seen on with.
Oh, she looks burnt.
She is a bit burnt, yeah.
What a beautiful hat. Hello.
Look who I found.
Oh, honey, you look bad.
I'm just giving your channel a shout out.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Love
A
that.
good start.
Yeah.
If it's good.
I did leave you a message.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, about Bella. As well. Yeah,
I wouldn't
I
know.
deal
You
with
the
messages, but-
yeah, yeah. I said Bella wants to come
Oh. She's cute.
A sniffle.
Yeah. Oh.
We're staying next to some friends on a campsite and they've got a dog similar looking.
Got big fans of there, haven't we?
Yeah.
It's lovely to meet you both.
Yeah, it's nice to meet you too.
Video,
Seen you so much, so we know you.
Oh, bless. We're all friends.
I'll look forward to seeing the video
Yeah.
with us in it.
Yeah.
Right, take it.
And you, bye. Well, you're the same, look at you.
Sometimes it's
Tommy
It's a
Hardy.
unique experience, this, isn't it?
Yeah. You got a spider on your head.
Oh, right.
On the front.
Is it real? Hey! How much? You getting on? Alright, yeah,
I just wanted to Mr. Old someone walked by, so I still my coach right over to do a great job.
Oh, thank you.
See ya.
I met someone who knew you.
Many people do.
She was your girlfriend.
She was.
Yeah.
She is.
No, she was.
current girl-
Ellie.
The current girlfriend over there.
Oh, right, I better say not be that. I'm trying to remember, I did a caricature. She had an unusual name like Elliot or something. Wasn't Elliot?
I've been an Elliot before, but I won't talk about that.
Pete, I'll have to have a think and then I'll get back to you.
I'll see you sometime.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
That's all right. Look, every time he looks up, I'm looking down.
You've got a great declination.
Have I?
Yeah.
Nice to know.
the gap in your
Oh,
teeth.
right.
It's called a declination. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a sign of great beauty in Africa.
Mm.
So you're camper van people, are you?
Yeah, motorhome, yeah.
Motorhome,
yeah.
sorry. I don't know, what's the difference?
A camper van is a converted van, basically.
Oh, I see, right, okay.
It's got a quick nose.
Oh, yeah? It's getting there, isn't it?
You're brilliant, aren't you?
Oh. Am I?
That won't fit, so.
You enjoy doing it.
I love it, yeah. I do. Getting paid to insult people is great, isn't it?
Do you just do shows, or do you do
I
by
do a lot
mail
of
as well?
shows. I
Has
mean,
someone
obviously
seen your
I haven't
photos?
for the last year and whatever, but yeah, shows, weddings, corporate,
Yeah.
all kinds of stuff getting involved with.
Are you local?
I'm in Peterborough, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
about a mile over there.
Well, that's handy, isn't it?
It is. So I spend a lot of time on the show round. There's always something
Yeah.
going on here.
Well, that's good. You do it by mail as well?
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
people Email you a photo?
Yeah, email, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, as well.
You really?
Yeah, all the time, yeah. They go all over the world, actually.
That's good.
And
You
when
have to give us a card.
I'll give you a card, oh, definitely. When I do them on like email and that, I draw them on a big art tablet, and stylus. So I draw them digitally rather than
Yeah.
on a what's it like this.
No,
Just noticed you've got a dinky little camera there, haven't you?
Yeah, so it keeps level all the time, look.
Oh, that's clever, isn't it? I've not seen one of them before.
you're going on YouTube.
Yeah, you're going on YouTube.
am I?
Oh, yeah, you're going on YouTube, yeah.
Channel.
Ooh. You could link me in somehow, yeah?
Yeah.
I got filmed yesterday for a similar thing.
Yeah, we see him as if,
Just some at Radford's or
yeah,
something.
yeah.
Oh, I had no idea who I was talking to, sorry.
We're not the same as them, but what they call them in Memphis, isn't it? I can't remember now.
Roving Radfords.
Yeah, something like that, yeah. We just started, this is our first time.
Right. So you can become influencers,
So, yeah.
that's the idea. Well, the old motorhome people, they're a nice crowd, aren't they?
Yeah, yeah,
They are.
Well, this is our first one, isn't it?
yeah.
Oh, is it? Mine as well, to be honest. Yeah, it is, yeah.
Used to come here for the motorbike show.
That's on again this year.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get into it, to do it.
It's only May though, isn't it?
Motorcycle News.
Yeah, it's a motorcycle festival. Isn't
Yeah. Is it normally in May?
it? Usually in the middle of May, yeah.
Well, it's not this year. They've moved it.
Yeah,
It's,
because of COVID.
yeah, it's September, first weekend in September.
Yeah.
It is happening. Well, we think. It depends what happens tomorrow, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Whatever he comes out with. He's going to knock it back, isn't he?
It's going to be about in July.
It's got to be, isn't it? Which is a shame. I think it'll still happen. I'm supposed to be going to Latitude Festival. You know, the music festival.
Yeah, I think like for Caravan as it is now,
Yeah.
just a master
Yeah,
class.
yeah, masks. And the sad bit is weddings, isn't it?
Yeah.
People that have booked weddings.
Yeah. Of course, the abroad's been put back as well, isn't it?
Yeah. So at the moment you can only have 30 people at the wedding.